Hi guys! Today we're opening this Spider-Man Play-Doh surprise eggs. Let's see how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what color we have here. Green, red, yellow, orange, and blue. Making toys. Which one should we open first? Let's open the orange one first. Ooh, I wonder who's inside. Come on, let's open it. Let's get the Play-Doh out. Who's in there? It's Goblin. Let's open the yellow one next. I wonder who's in here. Let's get the Play-Doh out. Come on, shake it. It's Electro. Let's open the blue one next. Let's guess who's inside. It's Iron Spider! I still didn't get Spider-Man. Let's open the green one next. I wonder who's in here. Could be Spider-Man? I wonder. Uh-oh, I think it's the bad guy. Uh-oh. It's Venom! Chuck him away! Last one. I think I know who's in here. Can you guess? Hey, the egg. It's Spider-Man! Whoop, wrong side. Yeah! It's Spider-Man! It's Spider-Man! Bye-bye, thanks for watching.